Hello everyone, my name is Katie Zarco-Cardoso and I am one of the product training coordinators on the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, you will be learning about how clients can now join a waitlist unpaid and will only be charged if they are promoted to the attendance list for an event, class, or appointment. Previously, if a service required payment to book, the client was forced to pay for the service to get on the waitlist. Now we've added a setting to allow clients to get on a waitlist as unpaid and only require payment if they are promoted. To ensure the proper settings are enabled, you first need to make sure the waitlist settings are correct in business policies. To do this, click on the app drawer, click on Setup, and then on the left, make sure your business menu is expanded. Click on Business Policies, and then click into your waitlist settings. The setting Allow Clients to Join the Waitlist Unpaid must be toggled on. When you hover over the additional information icon, it reads, "When this setting is on, clients can join the waitlist for a service without paying as long as they have a saved credit card." Then make sure to click Save to save your settings. This setting can also be found within the setup for each individual appointment, class, or event. For example, I can go into an individual class like this one, Beginner Stretching and Breathing. Under Custom Business Policies, I can choose whether I want this specific class's waitlist to follow the default business policies, which is the waitlist settings we just set up, or you can click this button to use class-specific business policies. Scroll down to the waitlist settings, and here you can disable the waitlist for this class only or enable the waitlist for this class only. When the waitlist is enabled, the option to allow clients to join the waitlist unpaid is available to toggle on or off. Just as before, on hover, the information reads, "When this setting is on, clients can join the waitlist for a service without paying as long as they have a saved credit card." These custom business policy settings are important because you may want a specific appointment, class, or event to have different rules for the waitlist than the rest of your services. Make sure to hit Save to save your settings. Now let's say you have a client who wants to join the waitlist for this class, Beginner Stretching and Breathing. Damon wants to join the class, so you can add him to the waitlist. Damon West has not paid. Are you sure you want to add this client to the attendance list? Yes. Since the class was full, he was added to the waitlist. Notice he is on the waitlist, not paid, and you can tell by this indication right here. Now, if you wanted to add Damon to the class and move him to the attendance list by clicking this arrow button, you can see that he's now on the attendance list for the class and he has paid for a single session. Please note, when joining a waitlist unpaid, the client needs to have a saved credit card on their profile. If they do not, they will be prompted to authorize a credit card when booking. This improvement is extremely handy for staff members who before had to manually refund clients if they did not get promoted from a waitlist into a class, event, or appointment. This is a fantastic improvement because it allows clients to join the waitlist for a class, event, or appointment unpaid and then only be charged when they move to the attendance list for that service. That's it for this training video. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.